5, 6, 7, 8.
On a Mississippi morning, my dad yelled out a warning, son, you'd better hit that cotton patch real soon. And on my way down to the field, as I passed old Johnson's mill, I saw Becky Morgan skinny dipping nude. Well, I couldn't help but stop and stare. Hypnotized, I stood right there, enchanted by the beauty that I'd seen. Then she gave me a come-in smile, nearly drove my body wild. I fell down, trying to kick off my jeans. Well, on that cotton picking morning, I met up with Becky Morgan. You know, that day I didn't get to work on time. And in the days of my December, I know I will remember sowing oats at cotton picking time. Well, I lost my job that summer.